Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a location value set in Oracle Fusion Finance. This value set is commonly used in chart of account segments like location, branch or cost center mapping. Let's start by step. First, click on the username, click on setup and maintenance, setup financials. Now search for the task called manage chart of accounts value set values. Now hit search. Manage chart of account value set values. Now we are in the create value set screen. Click on create. Enter the value set code as xx underscore ERPZEN underscore location. This is a unique internal name, so once created, it cannot be changed. Description. Enter a meaningful description. Example, ERPZEN location module. Select general ledger because this value set will be used in the chart of accounts. Select validation type as independent. This means values will be entered manually and are not dependent on any other value set. Value data type as character since location codes are usually alphanumeric like Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, etc. Now, next is the data security section. If you want to restrict access to values based on roles, you can enable security. For now, I will leave security enabled unchecked, which is the most common setting. Now, take value subtype as text and enter the maximum number of characters allowed. Example 5. This allows values like HYD01 or BLR02. Now, zero fill. Enable this option if you want leading zeros. Example 001, 002. For now, I'll uncheck this. Uppercase only. It means all the location codes are stored in uppercase. Once all the details are entered, click on save. Now your location value set is now created successfully. Now here you can see you cannot alter or edit value set code, validation type, value data type and value subtype. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion Finance content. See you in the next video.